Welcome back to Smart Finances with Ajay. Today, let's break down a crucial question. What type of insurance coverage do you really need, and how much should you buy? Let's get right into it. First, life insurance. This is essential if you have dependents. For the amount, aim for a cover that's 15 times your annual income. This will secure your family's financial future. Next, health insurance. Medical costs are high, so choose a policy with coverage of at least 5 to 10 lakhs. Look for family floater plans to cover everyone under one policy. If you own a car or bike, vehicle insurance is a must. Go beyond third-party coverage and add own damage insurance for better protection. Lastly, home insurance. For homeowners, ensuring your property can protect against natural disasters and theft. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more on money matters.